But in terms of video, it's one of the ways to really stand out on social, to really grab attention. We are now past this world where like now there's so much content out there. How do you stand out? One of the way is through video, and standing out, not just when I think about standing out, it's not just right at the top of the funnel where you're trying to get them to pay attention to your offer or your product or your service. It's also when they've signed up, your customer. This is something that I've heard from customer success and customer experience folks, where they reach out to the customers and you don't reply back. How do you get their attention? One of the ways is to send a personal video, and I think that's why I'm such a big fan of using video content, because it could be personal. It really shows your thing. It's right now at this very moment, AI videos of humans, trying to mimic real people. It's not perfect. You can tell right away that there's a little bit of twitch there. It's one way to really say, hey, there's a human behind this brand or this content or this product, that they actually care, that it's not just a faceless company or a brand. It really is somebody behind it that they can care about and really want to reply to.